My video guide is dedicated to help you get rid of the fake human verification alerts which are related to the site finservice.com. Finservice.com is truly a malicious website. It now attacks Google Chrome and other browsers. It actually tries to trick you into clicking on this allow button, supposedly to help you confirm that you are not a robot. The reality is that it's a mistake to do that. It's a mistake to click on allow, and if the allow button gets clicked, the browser will be hijacked with numerous advertisements that will be displayed as push notifications. So, to click on allow is surely a mistake and it needs to be urgently fixed. Go to the menu, go to settings, choose privacy and security, site settings. In permissions, choose notifications. Pay attention to the sites that are allowed to send notifications. When you find this finservice.com, you should get rid of it from the list. I would also recommend researching your computer with Combo Cleaner antivirus. Please get its fresh version on the page combocleaner.com. Use this green download button, install the program, and begin researching your system to detect and remove other threats. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner antivirus, make sure you click on Start Scan button. Initially, the program is in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is so far available in the trial mode. The program most likely will first of all update its anti-malware database, and of course this is crucial for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware or other infections. While the scanning by Combo Cleaner is taking place, please pay attention to several features in Combo Cleaner, such as anti-ransomware. This feature, for instance, allows to help you to add several folders that will always be protected against ransomware or malware attacks. At the end of the scanning, you will see the detailed summary of all the threats which were found on your computer. You will be able to know the names of all these threats, the locations of all these threats on your computer, and of course, based on that summary, you will be able to remove certain threats manually. However, we strongly advise that you consider upgrading to the premium license of Combo Cleaner antivirus. This is the best way to remove any possibly hidden malware from your system and to keep your data always protected against any other possible malware attacks. So use Combo Cleaner Premium license to make sure your system is always under the defense against all contemporary threats.